What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Super exciting today. Just got a new car in here. You're about to see that in a second. If you clicked on the video, you know what it is. Also, I just bought a house and I just got engaged all within a week. So it's been a heck of a week. It's been a lot going on. The Mustang is in running order again. It just needs a clutch still. It still has that vibration, but I got a new battery on it. Took it to the meet the other day. If you watched the last video, you would know that we took it out and it's been running pretty good, but this is not nearly as awesome. I mean, this is kind of cool. Twin turbo Mustang, but check this out. Boom. We got another one. We got another Eclipse, and it's a little different than the last one. Big turbo Eclipse, 6870 Precision Turbo on it, twin gates, twin scroll, Magnus intake manifold, which is awesome, coil on plug, a whole bunch of stuff. I still got to go over the list. I bought it off one of our friends. He has a ton of cars. You might have seen this car in a previous video when we went and looked at it, but it is a GSX all-wheel drive. It's caged. The only downfall of this car right now is, well, for me personally, I'm not a fan of 2GAs. So this is a 2GA, and not that big of a fan of the styling of these. It's a 95, and it has the shorter spoiler in the back. Most of you know that if you know any Eclipses, and but this one has like a carbon hatch and everything. Lexan window in the back. It's no joke. This car's no joke, and it made some crazy power. Currently, the other downfall of the car is it's on a stock trans. So yeah, kind of a letdown, but it is on a stock transmission because he had a PPG dog box in it that went into his Talon. So he had a Talon build, and the dog box went to that. So this got a stock trans. So stock trans ACT 2600 with the street disc in it. So that's our holding factor. That's our limiting factor. The car, I was told the car made a lot of power. So, and I mean, power is relative, but it said, he said it made 918 to the wheels on 43 pounds. The car's currently running on, I think, 30 pounds, just 30 pounds. I haven't even taken it out yet. We're gonna take it out in this video, and we're gonna try to 6130 it with the stock trans, granny shifting. We'll see what it does, see what kind of potential it has. But yeah, I was told it made 918 wheel on 43 pounds, but it has seen 52 pounds on the street. So that's probably 4 digits. That's really pushing the 6870 though. I don't want to run it that high. I want the car to be around 800 wheel. I think that would be pretty nasty on the street. The GSX 800 wheel. I think that would be a fun car and definitely beat a lot of cars around here. I don't really know. I mean, I know people that are obviously could beat that, but it would be fun. It'd be a fun car, especially because it's an old GSX and you just don't see them out there on the street beating people up. So hopefully that's the goal with the car. I'll stop talking about it. I mean, I don't really have anything else to say. Once we have it on the channel for a while, we'll start delving into a lot more of what's done. It also has a mechanical fuel pump. I'm not really knowledgeable on that. I'm not really sure what that's about. It has aluminum rods in it as well, so they have to expand. I was told they have to expand to actually, they have to get the temperature. So you can't just take this car out and just beat it right away. Like, you have to let it warm up. You got to break it in, which I'm not the best at, but I'm gonna have to learn to be better at it. Otherwise, we might run into a major problem right off the bat. So let's take this thing out. I want to pick up Emiliano and take this thing for a spin because he's got his 1G Talon that he just got, and we're gonna convince him to turn it up. You know, he's looking at a stock motor build. I think after he goes for a ride in this, he's gonna want more than a stock motor build. Let's take it for a ride.
So hard.
When it goes, yeah, when it starts going, it really goes. I don't know how to brake this
thing yet. Jesus! Oh my god!
This thing moves pretty freaking good.
This thing is dumb fast.
Yeah, I want to run the Mustang in this.
Oh, dude,
I gotta get somebody.
It's gonna be so
It's gonna be a
close.
hell of a race.
So close.
I gotta learn how to drive this thing first.
Yeah.
Oh my god. See, it's stinky. It's stinks.
That's the fuel.
Yeah. You would think.
Yeah, you can smell a little bit of oil, but I think it's whatever's on your exhaust,
Yeah,
and when the wind is pushing it, it's pushing it back.
Yeah, guys, so unfortunately, lost all the footage from the GoPro. The SIM card decided to just completely take a crap. You could hear it beeping in the phone video there. Luckily, Emiliano threw his phone out real quick and we were able to capture some of it. Yeah, I don't know what the problem is with the GoPro, but I gotta get a new SIM card and try that. Let's see what happens. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the little video, little teaser of the car. I'm gonna have it out a lot more. It's getting cold now. Obviously, it's getting a lot colder now, so it's gonna be a little more difficult to get outside and take this thing out. But on like 50-degree days, I'm gonna take it out, see if we can get some races in Mexico. I wanna get it on the scale. In the next video, I will go put it on the scale, see what it weighs. I mean, it has the cage in it. It has like the carbon hatch, like a Lexan window back here. And they're pretty light stock. They're actually pretty light for an all-wheel drive vehicle. You know, they're pretty small. They're small cars. So I'm curious to see how much it weighs. I think it would probably be around 3,200, 3,300, maybe a little less. My GST was 2,860 without me in it. So that's pretty light. If this is around 3,000, that would be excellent because the power to weight ratio would be really nice. It's on 30 pounds on the 6870. We'll go over more. We're gonna get it on the dyno also. I'm really curious to see what it does on the dyno in the current stage, and then I'll be trying to track down a transmission, see if we can get a dog box in it or like a Shep Stage 4 trans in it or something, and turn it up and go for broke. 800 plus wheel horsepower. Previous owner stated that it made 918 on 43 pounds. So if it goes anywhere near that, that's ripping. So that'll be fun. So stay tuned for that. If you guys like the video, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. There's plenty more DSM stuff coming. The Mustang, we got the Mustang. I'm trying to sell this possibly, the twin turbo Mustang, and pick up a Corvette perhaps, or throw a clutch in this thing and just continue to drive it. The way the money kind of stacked up in my house, might have to keep it for a while and then shoot for that 1,000 horsepower. It should make it, honestly. It just needs a little love. It's been put on the back burner. So stay tuned for that. Thanks guys for watching the video. Have a good day. See you later.